Hey everybody, say hey Mariah.
Hey.
So today my special guest Mariah here. We're gonna make a breakfast oat banana peanut butter smoothie, and it's something you can have for breakfast. Very simple, very easy. Well, it's a different kind of smoothie. I want to try something different for today. So let's jump right into it, okay? So first we're gonna do oats. So I'm gonna let Mariah pour the oats in there. I have about a cup of oats. A little messy, but we'll do it. Next, I'm going to add a banana. I'm going to break it up. All right. Then I'm going to add milk. Now, I have almond milk. You can use oat milk. I'm using almond milk, about a cup. And depends on how you want it to be. You can kind of determine that. And then we have like some peanut butter. This is probably like a fourth of a cup of peanut butter, a little less than that. Put that in. All right. And y'all, that's pretty much it. So let's get our top. And we're going to put it on. And let's get ready to blend. And remember, if you need to add more milk, less milk, depending on how you want it, you can do that after you blend it. So let's get it. So we have it blended, and now it's time to pour it. Take the top off. Another way you can use your oats as well. So let's pour it. See that? And let's get Mariah's on. Have your breakfast in a cup. All right? Then drink it. Let's see what she says. Now, what does it taste like? Tastes oats?
Tastes good.
Okay.
I like peanut butter and bananas.
Okay. She said it tastes good. Peanut butter and banana. So you got your fruit, you got your protein, you got your oats, you got all that blended together. So this would be a great idea for a nice breakfast smoothie if you want to have that. But that's all for today on this Tasty Tuesday tip is a way you'll get your oats in. And we will see y'all later.
Hi.